In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your AliExpress cart in 2025. Whether you're an avid online shopper or just making an occasional purchase, keeping track of your shopping cart is crucial. Let's dive in and make sure you're all set for your next purchase on AliExpress. First things first, open the AliExpress app on your smartphone or navigate to their website on your computer. It's important that you log in to your AliExpress account for this process. Logging in ensures that you have access to all your saved items in your cart, and if you're not already logged in, you won't be able to see your personalized shopping cart. So, type in your email and password if prompted, and now you'll have the entire marketplace at your fingertips. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little shopping cart icon. That's the one you need to click. Give it a tap or click, depending on your device. When you do this, you're immediately taken to your cart, showing all the items you've lovingly or impulsively added during your shopping sprees. This is where you can manage everything you've decided you might want to buy. The next step is to review your items carefully. Take a good look at each product listed in your cart. You're going to check for a few key details here. Make sure that the quantity, color, or size listed matches what you intended. This step is especially important to avoid any surprises when your package arrives. Check that the price looks right, including any discounts or coupons you applied. You don't want any sudden price changes cropping up that you didn't notice before checking out. Also, if you're buying from multiple sellers, ensure the seller information matches the one you intended to shop from, as item quality and shipping times can vary greatly. Now, suppose you need to make adjustments. Perhaps you want to change the number of an item. Just tap or click on the edit option, which allows you to update quantities or other options if available. It's pretty straightforward. If you find something that you've changed your mind on, whether it was something you added accidentally or when plans have changed, you can easily remove it. Look for either a delete or remove option and select it to take those items out of your cart. And there you have it, managing your AliExpress cart in 2025. It's a simple process once you break it down, making sure you're always in control of your shopping expeditions. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping!